Do you feel like you're running on empty no matter how hard you try? That constant exhaustion, stress, and the impact it's having on your body. It's real. I know this. But what if the missing piece that would make all the difference was a simple daily addition to your routine?
I'm Lori Hayes, faith based mindset coach, essential oil and biohacking enthusiast, and network marketing top leader. Welcome to Thriving Minds and Body.
Let me introduce you to E Omega Plus, a revolutionary omega-3 supplement packed with essential fatty acids that will support your health and energy in ways that you may not expect. And you can do something with this supplement that you would never try with another one on the market. So be sure to watch for that. Most people don't realize that their diet is missing two key nutrients, EPA and DHA. These are omega-3 fatty acids that your body can't produce on its own. EPA and DHA are primarily found in fish oils, and they're essential for maintaining overall well-being, including the health of your heart, your brain, your eyes, your skin, your joints. But here's the catch. Almost no one is getting enough of them through diet alone, unless you live in Alaska. You would have to eat 2 cans of tuna every single day to get enough EPA and DHA into your diet. Our American diet is filled with omega-6 oils, but very little omega-3s, and they are crucial for things like brain health and heart health and really just overall health. We as Americans eat on average of about 90 milligrams of omega-3s, but we need at the very least 500 milligrams just to get by. E Omega Plus fills that gap with 2,000 milligrams of fish oil from the pristine waters in the Nordic Sea and 900 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, including 800 milligrams of EPA and DHA. This powerful supplement is designed to support your body where it needs it most. And here's the cool thing. Our fish are sustainably harvested with full traceability from boat right directly to the bottle. But we didn't stop there. We also added doTERRA's CPTG wild orange essential oil to keep the fish oil from oxidizing. Now, why is that important? Well, here's the deal. When fish oil oxidizes, it can develop a strong fishy smell and taste, which is why a lot of times you take an omega and you burp up like fish. And that's a sign that it's not as fresh or as beneficial as it should be. In fact, oxidized fish oil may have a negative impact on your health. The wild orange essential oil in E Omega Plus enhances the absorption and benefits of the omega-3s and also helps keep the fish oil fresh and free from oxidation. So it works more effectively without the fishy aftertaste. Oh, and it helps you maintain healthy cholesterol levels as well. Okay, remember in the beginning when I said I was going to do something that you would never do with other omegas on the market? I have to tell you, I was scared to do this the first time I tried it. Now, I am going to pop this capsule into my mouth and I'm going to bite it and let the fish oil out in my mouth. I know. I thought I was crazy the first time I did it too. Okay, I have to tell you, it tastes good. There's the empty capsule. It actually tastes good. And you guys have to know this. I despise fish. I do not like fish. I only eat shrimp and salmon. So that's why I was so scared the first time I tried it. I was shocked. It tastes like orange essential oil. Like it's really actually good. And so that is because that fish oil has not been oxidized because of that wild orange essential oil in it. This makes it just one reason why this supplement is completely unique and superior in the marketplace. Okay, let's talk about how omega-3s support your health. So the omega-3 fatty acids in E Omega Plus, EPA and DHA play a really important role in supporting many parts of your body. For example, EPA and DHA helps maintain cardiovascular health, which is really vital, right, for overall wellness. They also support cognitive function and brain health, helping you stay sharp as you age. So you'll experience less brain fog. I don't know, who needs a little bit more of that, right? Plus, omega-3s are great for your eyes and your skin, helping you feel and look your best. No more dry eye. These will help so much. And also think less joint pain. These also help support a healthy inflammatory system. Did you know that healthy fats help everything else you take work even better? So, when you take your E Omega Plus with your VMG Plus and any other supplements you love, like maybe our new frankincense capsule, you'll have to check that out, that the fats in there actually help your body utilize those even better, maximizing their effectiveness. And that's just a little glimpse of how the E Omega Plus can support your health every single day. Let's face it, you've been doing your best to take care of yourself. Now it's time to give your body the omega support it's been missing. And even better, pair it with our VMG Plus to support your entire body in a truly powerful way. Try E Omega Plus today and feel the difference for yourself. Click the link below to order now, and I'm going to actually include a link for that and the VMG Plus as well. When you pair the two together, you're giving your body really comprehensive support. You're giving your body the omega-3s, the antioxidants, essential vitamins and minerals, and superfoods, all working together to boost your energy, enhance your cellular health, and support your overall well-being. It's the ultimate combination for feeling your best every day from the inside and out. I've also included a special gift for you. So mindset and health are my jam, and I've combined the two in my free ebook called How to Change Your Mindset with Essential Oils and Affirmations. Make sure you check out the link below to get that free download. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want more tips on how to take control of your health naturally or mindset tips, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. And hey, share this video with someone who needs a little more focus and healthy aging in their life. It's super fun. We help each other feel our best. It's time to start feeling your best from the inside out. Your heart, your brain, your eyes, your skin, your joints, your cells. Well, thank you immensely. If you're ready to feel more like yourself again, maybe your younger self again, give E Omega Plus with VMG Plus a try. And don't forget to claim that free ebook in the link below. Thank you so much for watching.